What's up, guys? Hope everything is great. We got an isuzu NRR. Okay, basically we went ahead and gave them the alarm system with the remote start, the app on the phone, so you're able to arm and disarm it anywhere in the world from your phone. We'll go ahead and lock here. It's gonna chirp. Tells you doors are locked. Unlock is here. It's gonna tell you the doors are unlocked. Remote start is here. It'll tell you the run time once it gets started. Okay. Start giving you the 30 minutes countdown going backwards. This is the voltage of the battery of the unit. This is the signal of the unit. It tells you 22 NRR. So basically, yeah, we went ahead and protected the whole truck. If somebody opens the door, breaks a window, the alarm is going to set off and he's going to get an alert to his phone. Then it's got the 30 minute run time. If you wish to turn it off right away, you can. Otherwise, it will run for 30 minutes. And what you do, once you open the door, you get inside, you turn the key in ignition, and you take off like every other remote start in the unit in the country. I'm gonna go ahead and open the door. The alarm's gonna set off. Okay. Okay. It's got this little antenna here that gives you the range on the remote control. It's gonna have the blue light that's gonna flash here at night. Okay. All right. And that's basically it. If somebody breaks a window, it will trip the alarm open any of the doors. They already stole one of these trucks for this owner of this company. He finally got his insurance money and finally got the replacement truck after 4 or 5 months of battling out with the insurance company. So yeah, this is why we're here today, to protect this vehicle. So if anybody has these type of NPRs, you know, these type of vehicles, they are hitting them for the catalytic or converters, and they're also breaking and stealing the whole truck like they did to this guy. But we had another customer that they took the catalytic or converters out of the vehicle. So yeah, so numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814, and we thank you for watching this video.